Hello everyone, welcome back to second chapter, that is acid, bases and salts. This is my first video of this chapter. To start with, let us understand what is the difference between acids, bases and salts based on properties like definition, taste and feel, has more or less hydrogen ion or hydroxide ions, litmus paper test, what type of chemical reactions they do, and examples. So first, what is the definition of acid, bases and salts? Acid is a substance which when dissolved in water ionizes and releases hydrogen ions, that is H plus ions in solution. A base is a substance which when dissolved in water ionizes and releases hydroxyl or hydroxide ions in solution. A salt is a compound formed by partial or complete replacement of ionizable hydrogen atoms of an acid by a metallic ion. So now what is the taste and feel of acid, bases and salt? If we talk about taste of acid, it is sour in taste, it is corrosive in nature. मतलब किसी जगह पे अगर एसिड गिर जाता है तो वो जगह खुरदुरी हो जाती है, कोरोसिव और बर्निंग फीलिंग देता है अगर हाथ पे गिर जाता है तो. बेसिस आर बिटर इन टेस्ट और फील स्लिपरी, अजीब सा टेस्ट होता है बेसिस का. एंड देन सॉल्ट्स, दे आर ऑफ ऑल 5 टेस्ट, स्वीट, सॉल्ट, बिटर, savory. All 5 tastes can be present in different types of salts. Now acids have more hydrogen ions in solution. Also a hydronium ion H3O is produced. जैसे ही एसिड ब्रेक होगा, सपोज HCl है और वो ब्रेक हुआ H plus and Cl minus में, that H plus will combine with water molecule and produce H3O plus ion. Now bases, they produce hydroxide ion. What is hydroxide ion? OH, negative is the hydroxide ion. And salts are generally neutral. They do not produce H ions or OH ions. Litmus paper test, acids turns blue litmus paper red and bases turns lead litmus paper blue. Because salts are neutral, they do not generally respond to the litmus paper. What type of chemical reactions do acid takes place with? Acid reacts with metals, they react with carbonates, they react with metal carbonates and bases. Now bases, they react with fats, oils and acids. Now because salts are neutral or they have been formed by the reaction of acid and base, they do not react. Example of acids: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, base, NaOH, KOH, salts, NaCl and KCl. अब यहाँ हमने एक बात करी कि acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. एक चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान रखनी है, we are not tasting anything in the laboratory. क्योंकि वो सब देखने में एक से लगते हैं. इट कैन बी वाटर, इट कैन बी कंसनट्रेटेड एसिड, इट कैन बी डाइल्यूट एसिड, इट कैन बी अ बेस ऑल्सो. सो वी विल नेवर एवर टेस्ट एनीथिंग इन द लेबोरेटरी. अभी टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे तो बिटर टेस्ट है, सॉर टेस्ट है, कैसे पता चलेगा? उसके लिए वी हैव इंडिकेटर्स. What are indicators? These are the substance which show the acidic or basic behavior of other substance by change in its color. जैसे सपोज मेरे पास लिटमस पेपर है, अगर ब्लू लिटमस पेपर है और मैंने एसिड में डाला तो वो रेड हो जाएगा. रेड लिटमस पेपर है, अगर मैंने बेस में डाला तो वो ब्लू हो जाएगा. अपना कलर चेंज करके बता देते हैं कि वो सब्सटेंस एसिड है या बेस है. कितने टाइप के होते हैं इंडिकेटर्स? 4 तरीके के. नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स, लिटमस एंड टर्मरिक. olfactory indicators, onion and vanilla. Synthetic indicators, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Universal indicators, that is combination of many indicators. Natural, जो नेचर से प्राप्त होते हैं. olfactory, जो सूंघ के पता लगते हैं, जो स्मेल से पता चलते हैं. but these are not usually valid for laboratory test. Why? Because some of us some of us may feel that onion smell is good, some of us may feel that it is bad. तो ये एक साइंटिफिक तरीका नहीं है किसी भी एसिड या बेस के टेस्ट करने के लिए. So generally we avoid olfactory indicators, but they are present. We use natural indicators or synthetic indicators, which means that they are prepared in the laboratory. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Okay, now how do these indicators work? See, indicators, the original color, what will happen if acid is added and what will happen if a base is added. So red litmus, if I have got red litmus, its color has to be red. In acid there will be no change, but in base it will change to blue. Red litmus change to blue. If I have blue litmus, that means its color will be blue. So in acid it will change to red, in base there will be no change. Turmeric, आप जानते हैं हल्दी, yellow color, acid में no change, base में reddish brown. कपड़े पे खाते खाते अगर कुछ खाने की चीज़ गिर जाती है, हल्दी का दाग लग जाता है, फिर आप जब साबुन से उसको धोते हैं तो it becomes reddish brown. Why? Because it is a test. Turmeric is giving a test that whatever food is there, whatever soap you have added is basic in nature. Red cabbage juice, it is purple in color. With acid it changes to reddish, with base it changes to greenish yellow. Phenolphthalein, colorless, acid it remains colorless, in base it becomes pink. Methyl orange, orange in color, acid it changes to red, base it changes to yellow. Onion, no color, आप जानते हैं onion use करते हैं घर में. Vanilla also, original vanilla, no color. So acid, no change, both of them, onion and vanilla. In base, the smell vanishes. So that is why I was telling previously also ना कि ये scientific नहीं है, क्योंकि हमको कभी लगेगा कि नहीं smell तो आ रही है, but in case of base the smell vanishes. So with this I come to the end of the first video of this chapter, that is based on indicators. In next video I will be telling you about classification of acids. Till then, goodbye, take care.